Fix my lunch, woman. Hi guys, welcome to another edition of Motorcycle Den. It's a beautiful sunny day today. We have a great route planned for you, around 160 miles, kind of short for us. We have to be back around 12:30, I think. So, well, hope you enjoy it.
What?
Dang it.
Oh, a bug?
Bird crap on my shield.
Are you kidding?
Yeah, I wiped it. It's on my glove. Crap.
Yep, that's what it is. Go ahead. Tape it and talk about it.
Alright, apparently a bird crapped on my shield while it was up. And
It didn't go in your face.
And of course, I have to touch it to see what it is. Gets on my gloves. It's pretty wet, so it must have just happened.
Gross.
I got to clean this off my shield. So anyway, anyways, it's about 7:20 in the morning, and this is the earliest we've been on a ride in quite a while.
We used to meet at 7 all the time.
Yeah, we did. Yeah.
And then you got old.
Once upon a time. So, but man, it's nice being up this early. Actually, I like it. I would tell you this is 4th of July, but I don't want everybody to know how far behind I am editing videos. So when this comes out in a couple
when
weeks,
you're working.
Oh yeah.
I mean, it's hard to find time.
When
You're
this
too
comes
busy
out,
riding.
What's that?
You're too busy riding.
Well, that's right. I do try to spend most of my free time riding. Can. So, in a couple weeks, when this comes out, you'll know how far behind I am.
Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July. Belated.
And then next month, my birthday month.
Yeah. Next month.
The whole month.
A whole month.
Yes.
The whole month?
Yep. Once you're older than 30, you get the whole month.
Man.
It only counts for ladies.
Yeah, oh, is that so? Only the ladies get the whole month, huh?
Yep.
We're on Route 41, north of 32. And like I mentioned, this is a pretty scenic road. Fairly curvy, hilly. I'll tell you, I think I'd like to live out somewhere like this. Well, getting to put this Harley through its paces today.
Like this, huh?
Oh yeah.
We're an Amish country out here.
Yep. Well, there's a couple of them Amish stores up here. That one's at bakery and gravel. Yeah. Is that general store? And then I think, what, is this that bakery on the right here?
Yep.
Yep. Country Crust Bakery. And these are just south of US 50 on Route 41. Never stopped at that bakery, but My dad and uncle, they both stopped there and they've gotten a sandwich or something, I think. They say it's pretty good.
They love it.
Yep.
Not just pretty good, they love it.
Yeah. Well, guys, I got some Kuryakyn, I guess that's how you say it, highway pegs for the bike, and that's that one and there. So, I like them. I need to move them back a little bit closer, maybe raise them just a slight amount, but they feel good. Mrs. Den got them for me for our anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Yeah, thank you. 27th anniversary. I get that right?
Yep. Practically my whole life.
Yeah, because you're only, what, 30?
We got married when I was 3.
3?
Even more amazing, that means I had a baby when I was 5.
That sounds bad.
Now, if God wants to give me another year, I'll take it.
This area 132 is beautiful through here.
Is it really pretty, or you just like the curve?
Oh,
You just like the curve.
I like the curves, but I think it's pretty. I mean, this is pretty through here. You gotta admit, right?
Mm-hmm.
Got an old church.
I love old church. Ow! Something just nailed me.
Ooh, that felt painful. Oh, it sounded painful, I mean.
Yeah, it hurt. It was like right in here.
Well, fortunately, we were ahead of schedule, so we're going to get Mrs. Den back in time, I believe.
Fix your lunch.
Fix my lunch? Yeah, now you're talking. All right, fix my lunch, woman.
And you're going to get more than chips.
More than just potato chips?
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Awesome!
I got dogs and mess, macaroni salad, beans, corn on the cob.
Well, guys, there you have it. Sounding great. And thanks for joining us. We've had a great day.